Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Malai Kofta. I start off by boiling some potatoes, carrots and some cauliflower. When the vegetables are all boiled, I grate the carrots and the cauliflower into a bowl. Then I squeeze the juice out of the carrots and the cauliflower so there's not much moisture left in it. Then I grate the boiled potato into a bowl as well. I mix the vegetables together. And I add grated paneer as well. I add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garam masala, and lastly, I add less than a half teaspoon of chili powder. Then I mix them all together. After mixing it thoroughly, I add cornstarch so the kofta balls don't fall apart while it's frying. Then I knead the vegetables together until it has a dough-like consistency. Then I take it apart into small pieces and roll it into a ball using my hand. And now I start the cooking. I take a pan and pour some oil in it. Then I heat it until it is extremely hot. Then I drop the kofta balls in it to let it deep fry in low to medium heat. I take out the kofta balls when they're golden brown. Then I get a different pan and pour about 3 serving spoons of onion gravy. You can find how to make onion gravy in my previous video where I show you how to make paneer masala. Then you add diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, some chili powder, some salt, and some kasuri methi. And lastly, I add some whipping cream. Then I mix all the ingredients and spices together and leave it to heat until it is boiling. I mix it for about 5 minutes while it is bubbling. After it has bubbled for a while, I turn off the heat and take the kofta balls on a plate and pour the gravy over it. Then I take some roughly chopped cilantro and sprinkle it over the Malai Kofta. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already.